Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Linking Google Sheets to Google Forms is incredibly useful for collecting and organizing data automatically, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it. Step 1. Start by opening Google Forms and creating a new form if you don't already have one. You can do this by going to forms.google.com, clicking the plus icon, and then giving your form a title. This is your foundation for data collection. Step 2. Add questions to your form by clicking the plus icon and selecting the question type you want. You can add multiple choice, short answer, paragraph text, or any other format that fits your needs. Make sure your questions are clear and helpful for your respondents. Step 3. Now comes the important part, setting up your response destination. Click the 3 vertical dots in the top right, then select Responses. You'll see an option to choose where responses go, and this is where you connect it to a spreadsheet. Step 4. Click on the sheet icon next to the Responses section and choose to create a new spreadsheet or select an existing one. You can name your new sheet or link to one you've already set up. Google will automatically create columns for each question. Step 5. Once everything is connected, you can start collecting responses. Each time someone fills out your form, their answers automatically populate into your Google Sheet, giving you real-time data organized and ready to analyze.